We listed the list of the agents. We categorize the P's for each and every agent. The first one, P's here, performance, environment, actuators and sensors. We write separately for each and everything. First we talk about a computer system. A computer system is a system, and what are the sensors for the computer system? That means what are the input units for a computer system? First we have keyboard, mouse. What are the actuators? Output units. It generates the output through monitors and printers. Where this particular environment it works? Lab or home. What is the performance? Is better response time. What is the response time? We can define normally. These are the P's for a computer system. How can we measure the response time of a computer system normally? See, whenever you give specific input, the lapse time between the input time and output time must be very low. Then that is called as the good response time. So, the time between the input and output must be less. That is called the response time. Okay, if it is more, we call it as more response time. If it is less, we call it as the less response time. So, the response time can be defined as the lapse time between the input and as well as the output. The time between both of them. So, here the performance of a computer system can be measured with the help of the better response time. So, these are the P's for a computer system. Now, we talk about a teacher. What is a teacher actually? A teacher is a human agent. By default, a human agent, what are the various sensors? The sensors are nothing but ears, eyes, skin are the sensors. What are the actuators? He can generate his output, he or she can generate his output through mouth and hands. In which environment normally a teacher agent will work? In class. What is the performance of a teacher? Is better teaching. So these are the P's for a teacher agent. Okay. Next we talk about student. What is a student actually? He is also a human agent. So what are for each and every human agent, the sensors and actuators are same. So what are the sensors for a student? Ears, eyes, skin, same. Actuators, same. Environment, same. But the performance varies from teacher to student. So what is the performance of a student? Better results. If we obtain better results, then we can say that student is a good student. So these are the P's for a student agent. Next we are going to talk about an interactive learning system. We want to learn through a computer machine with the help of some English or mathematics, whatever it is in the home, that is called as an interactive learning system. So what are the various sensors, actuators for an interactive learning machine? Being actually it's a computer machine. So what are the sensors for a computer machine? Same as the previous computer system, it has its own keyboard, mouse and earphone also sometimes we use. Okay. So, and mic we use. So, what are the actuators? It generates its output through monitor, printer. So, in which environment? We can learn in our home or a lab. What is the performance of an interactive learning system? If we learn well, that interactive learning system is good. So, performance is better understanding or better learning. So this is the interactive learning system. Okay, next we are going to talk about a car driver. Normally, what kind of the agent a car driver is? A car driver is a human agent. What are the sensors for a car driver? We have ears, eyes, skin are the sensors. What are the actuators? Mouth, hands, legs. He may use legs also to take a break for all. Environment where he works is road. What is the performance? Safe reach to destination. These are the P's for a car driver. So, car driver is a human agent. By default, each and every human agent can have the ears, eyes, skin are the sensors and actuators as mouth, hands and legs. And in which environment normally he works on the road. And what is the better performance of a car agent? Often regarded as if he reaches safely from the source to the destination, then we can call a car agent is the better performed agent. Our car driver is the better performed driver. Next we talk about server. Being a computer science, being a computer machine, a server is also computer machine having its own sensors as keyboard and mouse. And next, actuators, monitors, printers. Which environment it works? Lab. And what is the performance? Ability to maintain load or ability to have load. That is the better, or ability to utilize. So, all these are the various P's of each and every agent which are clearly given. One is computer system, teacher, student, interactive learning system, car driver and server. Among them, teacher, student and car driver are the human agents, and computer system and server, interactive learning system are the computer agents. Likewise, we can differentiate the P's of each and every agent.